talk about this weather. I mean, last couple of mornings, it's been chilly out there.
I mean, it's been cold in the morning, but the afternoons have been marvelous. Today, no exception. In fact, let me show you what it looks like outside right now, because if you've got the option to have lunch outside, I would certainly recommend it. We've got plenty of sunshine, some high clouds out there, but other than that, really just a nice start to the day. Temperatures already warming into the lower and mid 60s right now. 65 here in Houston, 63 up in Conroe. So across the board, we're cooler, we're more seasonal. We do have winds coming in from the northeast at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. That's going to be a cool, dry breeze. Not going to be humid today. In fact, as we go through the afternoon, things look great. If you're doing some shopping on this Cyber Monday, temperature-wise warming up into the mid and upper 60s. Expect to see mostly sunny skies. Once that sun goes down, we are going to start to cool down efficiently. Without that cloud cover, we quickly drop right back into the 40s and the upper 30s. By tomorrow morning, 44 here in Houston, 38 up in Livingston. But then our Giving Tuesday also looks spectacular. Tomorrow afternoon, mid 60s. You are going to start to notice an increase in cloud cover coming in from the southwest. That's ahead of a coastal low pressure system that's really going to make the middle of our week soggy. Take a look. Rain chances dry today and tomorrow, but starting on Wednesday, likely to see scattered showers and storms. That's going to be lasting Wednesday and even into the weekend. Coming up, we'll go day by day. Andy, I'll let you know when you need that umbrella.
All right, Caroline, thank you.
Michigan, Erie, Pennsylvania, Buffalo, New York, and that is exactly what's happening. You've got cold Canadian air passing over the warmer Great Lakes. That produces a little ecosystem that just basically is a fire hose of snowfall. In fact, if you look at snowfall totals over the last 24 hours, several spots over 12 inches. Areas in far western New York, nearly 8 inches of snow, and it's going to keep coming down. So this is something we're certainly thankful for that we don't have to deal with at all here in Southeast Texas. In fact, our winters are lovely. A live look over the Southwest Freeway, a mix of sunshine and some high clouds out there. Not seeing any issues. Temperatures currently sitting in the mid 60s, 65 degrees here in Houston, 64 on the island. As we head into the afternoon, our Cyber Monday topping out at 68 degrees, sunshine, a light breeze. No problems. Highs across the board, made it to upper 60s. A few locations will be making it into the 70s. Sugarland, a wonderful 70 degrees for your high temperature today. Tomorrow, also looking nice, 66 degrees. But then we're going to start to see some big changes. We are going to see an increase in cloud cover, and then rain chances really ramp up by Wednesday. So let's show you what's happening here. Right now, plenty of sunshine, but look just to our south. We're tracking this coastal low pressure system impacting far eastern Mexico. This is going to be making its way to the north. As it does, this will be changing our weather pattern. So as we go through the day on Tuesday, an increase in cloud cover. By late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, we'll start to see showers and storms working in from the southwest. Through the day on Wednesday, this model keeps us extremely wet. Keep in mind, it's all going to depend on the placement of this low pressure. If this is further off into the Gulf, we'll be much more dry, but this model has us extremely wet. So plan for extra time for driving on Wednesday, Thursday, especially in the morning, before that low finally starts to move out of here. Now, it's not just the coastal low, it's also going to be a cold front that's going to keep us wet. Here's another computer model that keeps it more coastal. This has us staying slightly more dry through the day on Wednesday, but then it has a cold front stalling out Thursday, Friday, Saturday, making the second half of our week an absolute mess. So the moral of the story is Wednesday through Saturday, heavy rainfall will be possible. Forecast rainfall accumulations look to be the highest towards the coast and areas off towards the east, 2 to 3 inches. So Street flooding certainly going to be a possibility. Today and tomorrow, though, not running into any issues. It's really going to be Wednesday that looks to be the wettest. And then as we go, it's like out there right now across the country, a lot different than what we have here in Texas. You'll notice that bright pink color in the Dakotas. That's where temperatures in the single digits. Grand Forks currently 12 degrees. Around the Great Lakes, Columbus, Ohio, Chicago, all going to be in the 20s. Even New York currently in the 30s. Here in Houston, mid 60s. As for rainfall, well, not a lot of rain across the country. In fact, mostly only tracking snow for areas across Illinois and around the Great Lakes. Here in Houston and really all of the South, just dealing with an abundance of sunshine right now across Southeast Texas. We've got sunny skies, some high clouds outside, no problems. Temperatures sitting in the lower to mid 60s, a comfortable Cyber Monday. Even though it's for shopping online, maybe bring the laptop outside because it feels nice out there. Winds coming in from the east-northeast, sustained about 5 to 15 miles per hour. That's a cool, dry breeze. So through the afternoon, no problems. Once that sun goes down, though, around 5:24, we're going to cool fast. By tomorrow morning, waking up in the upper 30s to the mid 40s. And through the day tomorrow, we're going to be watching an increase in cloud cover for your Giving Tuesday. Andy, that's ahead of a coastal low that's going to bring rain chances. But I'll break down that umbrella forecast coming up.
Okay, Caroline, thank you.
And boy, is it wonderful to see. If you've started decorating for the holidays, we would love to show your photos on air and online. It's click2houston.com/pins and you may be featured. Hey, today is beautiful. As Andy mentioned, a live look from the Houston Zoo. Plenty of sunshine out there. Temperatures comfortable. Right now, 65 here in Houston, 63 out in Winnie. As for Brenham, 65 degrees. So not seeing any issues with temperatures. And as we head into the afternoon, just perfect. 68 degrees, a light breeze from the northeast. No problems. Now, changes are going to be coming as we go through the next several days. Take a look at the next 3 days. Tomorrow, much of the same. You will start to see an increase in cloud cover, highs in the 60s. By Wednesday, rain chances up to 60% chance. Some of those could be a bit heavier. Right now, not seeing anything across the state, but what we're tracking is this low pressure system on that eastern coast of Mexico. That low is going to make its way to the north. As it does, this will be bringing with it our shower and storm chances. So you'll notice by 11 o'clock tomorrow, a lot of that rainfall staying far to the south of Corpus. As it makes its way towards the north and the east, this will bring rain chances as early as Wednesday morning. I think into Wednesday afternoon, it could get very intense. Downpours, thunderstorms. This all depends on the placement of the low. If this low pressure system is further offshore, that could keep all of the rain offshore as well. So a bit of uncertainty, but I always like to say prepare for the worst, hope for the best. So plan on extra time for driving on Wednesday. There is no severe weather threat. I think flooding is going to be the bigger concern here. Thursday morning, still seeing a heavy rain potential before that rain finally starts to taper off into the afternoon. At this point, we still won't be in the clear because then we're tracking a cold front. Take a look at this model. This model has us slightly more dry for Wednesday, but then it has a cold front stalling out Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That would make the second half of the week extremely messy. So really every single day, starting on Wednesday through Saturday, heavy downpours will be possible. Between now and 1 week from today, heaviest of the rainfall looks to be for our coastal communities and further towards the west. Generally speaking, 2 to 3 inches widespread can be expected. That's why I was saying maybe put up those holiday decorations today or tomorrow when we have sunny skies, high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Starting on Wednesday as early as 8 a.m., rain chances will start to ramp up. That's going to be staying with us as we go through the weekend. Saturday still putting a 50% chance of showers. It looks like as we go into next week, things will start to dry out again. But Andy, for a brief period of time, you're going to need to keep that umbrella with you every single day.
Duly noted, Caroline. Thank you. We've got some changes to talk about, to show us, Caroline.
I mean, big changes. I wish it could stay like today, though, because day has been perfect outside.
Yeah.
Let me show you what it looks like. We are going to talk more about that rain. Don't worry. But for now, let's not overlook a marvelous Monday. A live look outside from our Houston area Chevy dealer's camera. We've got a mix of sunshine and high clouds out there. Temperature-wise, just wonderful. Currently here in Houston, 67, 65 on the island. Up in Huntsville, 64 marvelous degrees. We've got a light breeze coming in from the east-northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's a cool, dry breeze, so we're not going to be feeling humid anytime soon. Of course, today is Cyber Monday, so if you're shopping out there, maybe scrolling on your phone, getting those wonderful deals, no problems. Mostly clear skies at 7 o'clock, 57 degrees. Once that sun goes down, we are going to be cooling down rather efficiently because our skies are clear. This means by the time we wake up tomorrow morning on Giving Tuesday, we're going to be sitting in the mid 40s here in Houston. Areas to our north, Livingston and Huntsville, waking up in the upper 30s. I mentioned it's Giving Tuesday, and if you're heading out to volunteer, should have no problems. Temperatures going to be topping out in the mid 60s. You will start to notice increasing cloud cover moving in from the southwest. That's as rain chances start to move in, and those rain chances ramping up this week. Coming up, will go day by day. I'll let you know when you need that umbrella. Andy?
Caroline, thank you.
Our average high temperature is 68, and that is exactly where we came in today. A live look from our Houston area Chevy dealer's camera showing sunny skies, some high clouds out there. Not seeing any problems on that Southwest Freeway. Temperature-wise, currently sitting in the mid to upper 60s. Down on the island, 63 degrees. We've got a breeze coming in from the east-northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's a comfortable breeze. That's going to be a dry breeze. So as we go through the evening, you're going to notice us cooling down really quick. Mostly clear skies. Because of that, temperatures dropping fast by 8 o'clock, 55 degrees at 9:54. By the time we're waking up on Giving Tuesday, mid 40s here in Houston. Down on the island, mid to upper 50s. Areas to our north, even dropping into the upper 30s. Now for our Giving Tuesday, if you're volunteering, shouldn't see any problems through the afternoon. 66 degrees. You will notice an increase in cloud cover with rain chances really starting to ramp up. That's as a coastal low moves in, bringing heavy downpours for the middle of the week. But I've got more on your umbrella forecast coming up.
Caroline, thank you.
It up to decorate it, to make it look just right. And I think it was so worth it. That is a stunning tree. And if you've been decorating for the holidays, we would love to see all of your hard work. Send it in to click2houston.com/pins. We like to share in your joy, both online and right here on air as well. A live look outside, perfect weather for putting up some holiday decor. A live look from our Houston area Chevy dealer's camera showing high clouds out there. No problems. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. A light breeze from the east is keeping us very dry. In fact, dew points in the 30s. This means a spectacular evening. Your hair gonna look fabulous as you're shopping for Cyber Monday deals. At 6 o'clock, 61 degrees. Temperatures quickly cooling down tonight because we've got clear skies. That means by tomorrow morning, we're gonna be waking up in the mid 40s. Now, over the next 3 days, changes are coming. In fact, tomorrow really going to be the last dry, beautiful day for about a week. So if you've got outdoor plans, try to squeeze them in tomorrow. 66 degrees. You'll notice an increase in cloud cover, and then rain chances Wednesday and Thursday really start to ramp up as a coastal low pressure system dominates the forecast. So let me show you where that is right now. Right now, that low pressure on the east coast of Mexico here, this is going to be what brings showers and storms. Now I'm showing you a model that is probably the wettest possible outcome. This keeps us dry for Tuesday, but then as early as Wednesday morning, starting to see showers move in from the southwest. Wednesday afternoon looks to be a mess. Showers thunderstorms. Plan on extra time on the roads on Wednesday and Thursday morning before some of that heavy rainfall clears out. Now, if that low pressure system stays off in the Gulf, we're going to be staying much more dry here in southeast Texas. This model keeps us with only rain showers on Wednesday, but then it's going to be Thursday and Friday with a cold front stalling that we see the heaviest of the rain. Regardless, umbrellas are going to be needed starting on Wednesday, lasting through the weekend. It's a chilly kind of evening because you just grab the Fritos. Temperatures are going to be cooling down really efficiently. A live look outside over the Med Center showing some high clouds out there. Otherwise, really an excellent evening. Right now, we're sitting with comfortable conditions. Temperatures sitting in the mid to upper 60s, 68 here in Houston. Down on the island, 63 degrees. We've got calm winds coming in from the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. This evening, perfect evening. Eat some chili, head out to the fire pit. Temperatures cooling quick, mostly clear skies at 8 o'clock, 55. By 10 o'clock, dropping into the lower 50s. In fact, by tomorrow morning, our mercury dropping into the 40s. Temperatures to start off your day for Giving Tuesday here in Houston. 45 degrees. Areas to our north, both Livingston and Huntsville, waking up in the upper 30s. So a cool start to what's going to be a delightful Tuesday. If you're heading out to volunteer, no problems. 66 degrees. This is our last dry day before a string of wet days. But Joel, Andy, I've got more on that extended forecast coming up.
All right, Caroline, thank you. We'll see you in just.
Live in the lake effect snow belts in this country.
That is for sure.
It's incredible. And every single time I see videos of lake effect snow in Buffalo, I'm like, gotta be college kids or someone out there who's shoveling, because you could never catch me doing that.
You're not doing that.
No.
Well, that's what you have a husband for.
True.
Yes.
He can do it. Grab the shovel, Jack.
Problem solved.
Problem solved. Take a look at how we're inside of the Great Lakes. That's because we had cold Canadian air passing over that warm water. That creates heavy snow bands, and there is a stark difference between where they see several feet of snow and where it's completely dry. Snowfall totals for areas around Erie, 29 inches near Buffalo, Cleveland near 23, areas across Michigan, 18 inches. And let me tell you, we have been seeing the snowfall continue to come down on these places. I am so thankful we do not get that here in southeast Texas. We are having a gorgeous December 2nd. A live look from our Houston area Chevy dealer's camera. Some high clouds, mostly sunny skies though. Temperatures currently sitting in the mid to upper 60s, 68 degrees here in Houston. Down on the island, 63. Now once that sun goes down, temperatures tumbling quick. Sunset tonight around 5:24, and by 8 o'clock, 55 degrees. By tomorrow morning, waking up in the mid 40s. Get out tomorrow afternoon, because tomorrow really going to be our last dry day for about a week. 66 degrees both Wednesday and Thursday. Rain chances ramping up as a coastal low makes its way into the region. So right now dry, but if you look down towards the valley, you can see cloud cover and some showers. This is from that coastal low pressure system right now in far eastern Mexico. This is going to work its way into our area. First bringing showers Wednesday morning, rain chances ramping up through the afternoon, and then we'll see it continue likely into Thursday morning. So plan on extra time for driving both Wednesday and Thursday morning. And then it's going to start to clear out just a bit. That's scenario one. Keep in mind, if that low pressure system stays further towards the south, some of the heaviest rainfall may actually stay in the Gulf. In that situation, we would just have some passing light rain showers on Wednesday. But then we still have a cold front expected by Friday. That's going to linger and continue to bring rain chances as we go through the weekend. So forecast rainfall accumulation looking to be widespread, 2 to 3 inches over the next week. Heaviest towards our east, but everybody needs to have that umbrella with them starting on